Alright guys, the first thing we're gonna do is called the Timmy towel. Yeah, pat. We can actually take them out probably if we squeeze them together and all. But now we need to, if you were doing brake pads, you'd be almost done right now. But not let this caliper hang or you can damage that hose. So we're gonna take that bolt out. There we go. And we need to clean out the inside of here because we don't want inboard, outboard. This one's the inboard. So that one's gonna be the one. There. And then on the other side, the same. Oh boy. Let me take theirs off and put the other ones on.